Hello, friends! Welcome to MOANSEMEDIA. Let's sing, dance, and learn together. For exciting adventures! Magic, fun, and smiles are waiting for you!
Hello, friends, come and play. It's bath time in a splashy way. Tommy, Luna, Max, and Bella too. Have a bubbly bath with you.
Splash, splash, here we go. Rub a dub and watch us glow. Soap and bubbles, fun and bright. Let's get clean from day to night.
Wake up, friends, it's time to shine. Bath time fun is right on time. Tommy Teddy fills the tub, splashing water, rub-a-dub. Luna Bunny hops with cheer, bubble mountains appear.
Max Monkey laughs out loud. Lila sings above the clouds.
Sparkle squad, bath time. Bubble, bubble, scrub and shine. Splash around and laugh all day. Clean and happy while we play. Sparkle squad, bath time. Soap and water work just fine. Rub and rinse from head to toe. Watch our sparkling bodies glow. Sparkle squad shimmer. Yeah!
Tommy washes little paws, cleaning dirt without a pause. Luna scrubs her fluffy ears. Bubble crowns appear. Hooray! Cheers! Max Monkey washes fingers 10. Then he counts them all again. Bella Bird splashes her wings when green. Bubble bubbles floating high. Rainbow bubbles touch the sky. Feet again, ones small, ones round and bright, dancing in the morning light. Blue bubbles, pink bubbles too, yellow bubbles just for you. Pop, 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 away they fly like tiny stars across the skies. Clap, clap, splash, splash, make the water go dash, dash. Jump, jump, wiggle, wiggle, bath time makes us laugh and giggle. Spin around, touch your nose, wash your fingers, wash your toes. Dance together, sing along, bath time is our happy song. Wash your face so nice and clean, shiniest face you've ever seen. Wash your elbows, knees, and feet. Keeping clean is really neat. Wash your tummy, wash your back. Keeping germs right off our track. Soap and water save the day, helping healthy kids at play. Now it's rinse, rinse, rinse away. Wash the bubbly soap away. Water falls like silver rain, making everything clean again. Tommy smiles, Luna too. Max and Bella join the crew. Everybody sparkling bright, looking fresh and feeling right. Hop aboard the bubble boat. Across the bubble sea we float. Rainbow waves and shining foam, taking Sparkle Squad back home. Through the clouds and through the sky, friendly bubble fish swim by.